Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have explained what is meant by operator, what is meant by operand, assignment operator, shorthand assignment operators, and even how these assignment operators are used in programs. I have explained with interactive mode of execution in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Operators in Python programming language. So to know regarding operators, first you need to know what is meant by operator and what is meant by operands. So first, an operator is a symbol to perform specific mathematical or logical operations on values. An operator is a symbol which is used to perform specific mathematical or logical operations on the values. The values that the operator work on are called operands. As an example, we consider the expression 10 plus num. So here the value 10 as well as the variable num are called as an operands, and the symbol plus is called operator. So operator is used to perform specific operation or a specific mathematical or logical operation on the values. So here 10 plus num, what is that? It says that it has to perform an addition of 10 along with the value which has been stored in a variable num. Python supports different kinds of operators. Assignment operator. An assignment operator assigns or changes the value of the variable on its left. It means before the assignment operator, whatever the variable has been written, that variable value will be changed, or it assigns a value to that particular variable. There are different type of assignment operators. Assignment operator is just equal to, and various types of assignment operators in the sense, along with the equal to symbol, we will be using other operators, and those are called as an shorthand assignment operators. Assignment operators in Python are, the first one, equal to. This assigns the value from right hand side operand to left hand side operand. For example, num1 is equal to 10. So 10 is assigned to the variable num1. If you have written num2 is equal to num1, that means the value which has been assigned to num1 has been now assigned to num2. That means after that execution, num1 and num2 both will be having the value same. Second one, plus equal to. This is called as an shorthand addition. It adds the value of right hand side operand to the left hand side operand and assigns the result to the left side operand. For example, instead of writing x is equal to x plus y, we can write as x plus equal to y. That is nothing but it will add the content of x along with y, and that result is assigned to the variable x itself. Third assignment operator is shorthand subtraction, minus sign equal to sign. It subtracts the value of a right hand side operand from the left side operand and assigns the result to the left side operand. It means instead of writing x is equal to x minus y, we can write x minus equal to y. So it will be subtracting the value of y from x, and that is assigned to the variable x itself. In the previous one, there is an shorthand addition. It performs the addition, whereas in this one it will be performing the subtraction. It is same as the previous one, whereas in that one it will be performing the subtraction, whereas here it will perform the multiplication. It is called as a shorthand multiplication operator. Asterisk equal to, instead of writing x is equal to x into y, we can write x asterisk equal to y. It multiplies the value of x and y and assigns the result to the variable x. Fifth assignment operator, shorthand division, backslash equal to. So this will perform the division. Here, for example, instead of writing x is equal to x divided by y, we can write x divided equal to y, means x backslash equal to y. So it will divide the value of x by y and assigns the result to the variable x. Assignment operator, the next one is shorthand modulus. It is same as the previous one, whereas in that one it will be performing the division, whereas here it will be performing the modulus operation. That means it will be just returning the remainder of the division. Instead of writing x is equal to x mod y, there is a percentage symbol, that is a mod, we write x mod equal to y, that is x percentage symbol equal to y. So it will be returning the remainder of x divided by y, and that value is assigned to the variable x. Next operator, shorthand floor division, double backslash equal to. So it will be performing the division using the two operands on the left as well as on the right and assigns the result to the left side operand. It is the same as that of the shorthand division. But what is the difference? In case of an shorthand division, it will be returning an division of two variables along with the integer part as well as the fractional part. Whereas in this case, it will be returning only the integer part, the fractional part will be truncated. For example, if you have written x double backslash is equal to y, if x value is 5 and y value is 2, means 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2 in the sense 2.5. Whereas in case of an shorthand division, it will return the answer as 2.5. Whereas in case of an shorthand floor division, it will be returning the answer as 2. X double backslash is equal to y is same as writing x is equal to x double backslash y. It is called as an floor division, shorthand floor division. It will be just returning the integer part and the decimal part will be truncated after the division operation takes place. The last assignment operator is shorthand exponential, double asterisk equal to symbol. It performs exponential calculation on operands and assigns the value to the left side operand. It performs power calculation on operands. Suppose if we write x double asterisk is equal to y, it is the same as writing x is equal to x double asterisk y. Suppose if x value is 5 and y value is 2, then it is nothing but 5 raised to 2, that is 5 to the power 2. So this will be equal to 25 and that value will be assigned to the variable x. This is regarding the shorthand assignment operators as well as the assignment operator. Next we shall see how these will be used in Python programming language with examples. First I will open an Python interpreter. So I will type IDLE. So here it is showing IDLE Python 3.12 64-bit. So click on open. So this is an interpreter. So now this is in an interactive mode. So in this interactive mode, first I will consider the assignment operator equal to. So as I told, it is used for the purpose of assigning a value to the right hand side operator to the left hand side operator. That means if I write num1 is equal to 10, that means the value 10 is assigned to variable num1. So you can just print that one, print within a bracket num1. So it will display the value as 10. Similarly, if I write name is equal to, within a single quote I will write my name, Nagarjun B. Close the single quotes, press enter. So print, just write that variable, that is name. Close the bracket and press enter. So it will display Nagarjun B. So that is what an assignment operator. It is used for the purpose of assigning a value, that is from right hand side operand to a left hand side operand. So here even we can write like this: num2 is equal to num1. Num2 is equal to num1. That means what? The value of num1 is assigned to num2. So when I write print num2, so what is the value of num1? 10. The 10 is assigned to num2. Therefore the num2 value will also be 10. This is with respect to an assignment operator, that is an equal to operator. Then we consider an next shortcut assignment operator, that is a plus equal to. Suppose if I consider num1 is equal to 10 and num2 is equal to 15. Now if I write num1 is equal to num1 plus num2, that means what? It will add the value of num1 with num2 and it is assigned to num1. So you can see the value will be 25. So print num1, so value will be 25. Okay, so I'll write once again, print, I have made a mistake, print within a bracket num1, close this bracket. So you can see the value is 25. So again I assign num1 is equal to 10, num2 is equal to 15. Then now I will use the shorthand assignment operator as num1 plus equal to num2. That means it will add the content of num1 with num2 and that is assigned to an num1. Means after execution of this one, if I print the value of num1, it will be 25. Okay. Then similarly with respect to an shorthand minus operator, that is a subtraction. So instead of num1 num2 I'll take x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 2. Then I will write x minus equal to y, that is nothing but writing as x is equal to x minus y. So 10 minus 2 will be what? 8. So the value of x will be 8. So you can see the value is 8. Then we shall see with respect to a multiplication, that is a shorthand multiplication operator. So I'll write x is equal to 10, y is equal to 2. If I write x asterisk equal to y, this is same as writing x is equal to x into y. That means 10 into 2 will be 20 and that is assigned to the variable x. That means after this one the value of x will be what? 20. Then the division operator, that is an backslash equal to shorthand division operator. So I'll consider the same, x is equal to 10 and y I will consider as 3. Okay, then I will write x backslash operator equal to y. This is writing as x is equal to x divided by y. So that means the value of a division is assigned to the variable x. Now I will print that value, print within a bracket x, close that bracket, press enter. So it is displaying 3.333. It is a recurring. Okay, suppose if I consider x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, then if I write x backslash equal to y, so in this case print within a bracket x, so the value of x here will be equal to 2.5. then another one is and modulus operator, shorthand modulus operator. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, so what is the remainder? The remainder is 1. So if I write x mod equal to y, so it will give as 1. So print within a bracket x, close that bracket, so it will display the value as 1. Right. Then next I will write an integer division shorthand operator. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. If I write x double backslash equal to y, this is same as writing x is equal to x double backslash is equal to the x is equal to x double backslash y. So in this one it will give only the integer part of the division. That means if I print the value of x, so 5 divided by 2 will be 2.5, but it will give the answer as only 2. Reason, only the integer part, the fractional part will be truncated. So another one last operator is an exponential calculation. So here if I write x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, and if I write x double hashtag equal to y, this is same as writing x is equal to x exponential operator, that is a double hashtag y. So 5 raised to 2, it is a 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2 is 25, and that value is assigned to variable x. So therefore after execution of this one, if I display the value of x, it will display the value as 25. So this is regarding an assignment operator and shorthand assignment operator. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends as well as family members. Put this one in your Facebook as well as in WhatsApp. Happy learning.